Hello crypto chasers! In today's video, we're going to talk about how you can earn money by mining Pi token. Pi token is a new cryptocurrency that you can mine on your smartphone using the Pi Network app. Mining Pi is a simple and easy way to earn some extra income, and in this video, we'll show you how to get started. Step 1. Download the Pi Network app. The first thing you need to do is download the Pi Network app from the link given in the description. It's available for both iOS and Android devices. Once you've downloaded the app, create an account and verify your phone number. Step 2. Start mining. Once you've created your account, you can start mining Pi token. The mining process is simple and does not require any technical skills or equipment. All you need to do is open the app once a day and click on the mine button. This will add your mining power to the Pi network, and you will start earning Pi tokens. Step 3. Invite friends. Increase your mining power by inviting your friends to join the Pi network. Every time you invite someone and they start mining, you'll get a bonus to your mining power. This means that the more people you invite, the faster you'll earn Pi tokens. Step 4. Increase your security circle. Pi Network uses a unique security feature called the security circle. This is a group of trusted contacts that vouch for each other to prevent fraud and ensure the integrity of the network. You can increase your mining power by adding more people to your security circle. Step 5. Exchange Pi tokens. Once you've earned enough Pi tokens, you can exchange them for other cryptocurrencies or fiat currencies on different exchanges. Pi token is currently not listed on major exchanges, but you can join Pi's official Discord channel or Telegram group to find out about the latest exchange listings. In conclusion, mining Pi token is a great way to earn some extra income without the need for any technical skills or equipment. By following the steps we've outlined in this video, you can start mining Pi today and potentially earn some extra income. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.